Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping a toned ground and sketching proportions. This gives immediate structure and value clarity. Use a thinned umber for the underpainting so you can map lights and darks quickly. It dries faster and guides later color. Focus on planes, not details. Forehead, cheek, jaw masses first. Once you've established values, let the lean layer firm. Make sure it's tacky, not wet. This prevents cracking and ensures the next, fattier paint layers adhere properly. You now place local color over the value map, building flesh with progressively fatter mixes so each pass gains oil and binder. Work from broad masses to smaller planes, blend edges where forms round, sharpen where planes meet. Use scumbles to lift and glazes to unify temperature. They control saturation without obliterating values. Pay attention to ambient bounce light and reflected color because these small shifts sell realism. Once midtones read well, refine smaller features. Nostril planes, lip contour, the eye whites. You finish by placing crisply observed highlights and the smallest reflective sparks to animate the portrait. Do these sparingly so they read as light. Make final edge adjustments, soften too hard transitions, and sharpen where you want focus. Let the painting cure properly before varnishing. Test by pressing a clean fingertip to an obscure corner. If you find an issue, tackiness, bloom, or cracks, address the offending layer, thinly solvent wipe, let dry fully, and rework with a slightly fatter, controlled application to stabilize the surface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.